Did you know that the female spider kills the male? After giving birth to the children, she then throws the male outside the house. Soon after, the children grow up and they kill the mother spider and throw her outside the house. What a strange house. In fact, one of the worst houses ever. God speaks about this house. And indeed, the weakest of houses would be the house of the spider, if they only knew. People were already aware of the weakness of the physical spider's web, which is so frail that even raindrops could completely destroy it. But humanity was not aware of the moral weakness of the spider's house, except in recent times. Hence, God emphasized the point of the spider's house and says, if they only knew.
مثل الذين اتخذوا من دون الله أولياء كمثل العنكبوت اتخذت بيتا وإن أوهن البيوت لبيت العنكبوت